everyone, now let's show you how to connect our mirror strip lights. It is very suitable for using in the bathroom. It is made by silicone tube, so it can get very good ability in waterproof. The silicone tube can get it IP65, and also here this one is end cap is also get filled with by silicone gel. Very good waterproof and moisture-proof ability. Okay, now I will show you how to connect power supply and touch sensor, and the female and male connector connect, and touch sensor. Very easy to use, very easy to install. You can take it. Yeah. And our strip has 2 years warranty, and we take a very high quality, high brightness strip, high quality lamp bead. So you can find very high brightness. And this is a single one, and also this is a single color touch sensor. Yeah, very easy. Okay.